Today we're going to talk about the dep package. Change the dep package control setting to loongarch from x86 so that you can run the dep package in this loongarch instruction set. This dep package is x86. Loongarch can't install, so you need to change it from amd64 to loongarch inside the control file setting. So because this follow the reps instruction, create a folders listed. So there are some folders. I'm going to create them, and then right after that we'll extract the dep package, all the files to the corresponding folders. Okay, extract package content to the target folder first. So let's just type the command as the rep saying. Okay, this is a -x, which means that's just extract all the contents there. And the second one is the now check it, the target, here, right? Everything already, the contents already is in the folders extracted from the package, Debian package. Now extract the control information to the Debian folder. So by using dpkg-e and target/Debian, so I'm going to extract the control information to the Debian. Now you can see the Debian folder inside. Okay, files there, and edit the control file. Here you can see the architecture. Change the amd64 to loongarch 64. Okay, simply change it and save. And now I'm going to type the last command. After change, we pack a new .dep file. This is to, we pack the file to the new file, to the new dep package by using the loongarch 64 after I have added the file from amd64 to loongarch 64. So you can doing both to try to pack the dep to a folder or to the particular file. So I try to pack to the folder inside default file. So target / and space build and /. So we go back to the build, you will have a file with loongarch written. So I'm trying to dpkg install it again. You can just pack it to a new particular file as well. I choose to a folder, so restore successfully. Before you couldn't do it because the architecture is different recognized by the dep package. Now the dep package recognizes that it is a loongarch 64, so the loongarch 64 by this Loongson 3a6000 successfully recognized it. So trying to run it now on the desktop, you can try successfully running. Okay, the VMC. So I think it's very good for this method to run the dep package and the different CPU architecture with different CPU instruction sets. Just like you can also apply this to ARM, MIPS, MIPS, or those kind of other CPU structure architectures like Sunway, SW, or any kind of architecture. Therefore, Loongson 3a6000 with loongarch binary translation can run a lot of x86 software natively on Linux, or you can use the API to run the x86 Windows files, Windows software as well.